Hi there. I'm going to show you, I'm inside Kartra today, so we're going to spend a lot of time with this is our CRM, our email marketing, our sales funnels, our content, not content management is not right, the membership system. So these are the various things on the left. Today I'm going to talk about Helpdesk. So we've already got a membership set up, the PLP course. I'll just briefly show you that, which is here, consists of a massive load of video lessons, about 350. So it's really too big. So I imagine we will need some help as we sell it. So I'm going to create a help desk today because we've got a help desk set up for the masterminds. I'm going to add one for the PLP course. So we start to get more organized with support tickets, etc. So I'm going to call it PLP course help desk. Click create. Okay, it's going to be hosted on Kartra servers. I think that's probably wise. Yep, so we'll save that. Logo, we're going to keep it as Amazing FBA. That's fine. So design template. I have no idea how this works. This is fine. I guess we can keep that. I'll keep the standard for now. Custom marquee. Yeah, we want to get rid of this guy because he doesn't really look anything like me. So upload your image. I'll probably have an image of me at some point. We might have an image of you if you get regularly the person they're going to deal with. Obviously, a lot of these images are on my computer at the moment. So over time, we will work on getting them into the cloud so that you can find these. And I'm not going to show you uploading a picture, so I'll pause here. I would if I could. Okay, so I've just selected a file to upload. I can change the name of it if I want, but I'm not going to bother. I'm going to click on next, upload that. Okay, so here I am. That needs editing, obviously. How to edit this? I don't even know how to edit that. Probably a bit too big. By the way, just note from what I've just discovered that you want to upload a rectangular, so in landscape orientation photo rather than the other one. That's a little bit sort of intimidating somehow. That's not a great image, so I might get the opacity of that down. I look a little bit serious in that photo, so I might get another one. There you go. So that's a reasonably positive looking photograph, not too weird. Okay, good. So how would I help you? I think maybe how can we help you? How can we help them a little bit better? So I'm going to click on that and save. What else have we not got? So if at the bottom you find this save and next is grayed out, that means because you haven't selected or saved something. So the header logo we saved, there we go. So it says gray change, gray change, gray change, gray change. Then that means we can click on save and next. Click on that. Support departments. Let's call this P course. Let's say online courses support, because we are planning to add some more courses. Yeah, private. I think we're happy to have that public, to be honest, so I'll add that. Okay, what does that mean, private? So it's visible. All right, so we'll save that. Doubtless that will develop support channels. I'm just going to stick to support tickets. Average response time. Probably going to be 12 hours for the moment. Okay, I'm going to save that. I'm going to stick to that for the moment. If you become more available at certain times, we might get you doing customer support on the Skype. I don't know. Save next. Supported products. And that's be the PLP course for now. And that's it for now. Obviously, a support wiki is an excellent idea at some point, but we don't have one. I guess if I look into that, I'll choose to create a wiki knowledge base. Interesting. Well, that's probably something we want to do at some point, but not for now. So let's have it next. Self-billing. For the course, for the PLP course, we don't want the self-billing really, because at the moment they're just paying one off, so they don't need to be able to cancel or anything. So we'll leave that for the moment. Okay, next, automations. No, we don't know that either. And next, so link. Okay, here we go. Let's just change this to a better URL. So with URLs on Kartra, we've linked up the domain. Instead of saying amazingfba.kartra, we've got go.amazingfba, which is, I think, a better domain name. And we'll call it something like PLP support, something obvious as much as we can. Signature. Okay, we can do that later. We can create canned responses. We can deal with that later as well when we get clearer about what kinds of messages we get. Good. I think we're about there. So the next thing I'm going to do is obviously grab the URL and just check it, make sure it works. See what the user experience side of it is. Here we go. So department doesn't seem to be working, does it, for some reason? So always, when I create something, it sounds really obvious to say it, but I sometimes skip it, which is just always test. As soon as you've created something, test it, and then test it from the user perspective. And for example, here we've got a problem because there's no department showing for some reason. So I'm going to go back into the, hopefully I'm still logged into Kartra. Let's have a look at this then. Let's have a look at my helpdesk. Here we go. So let's edit this again. So the issue is department, right? So let's have a look here. Oh, here we go. Online course support. So it's public. Save. Okay. Let's have a look again. It seems to be so private. It's because I need to save it as public. Sorry, so I missed this little toggle switch. I misunderstood it. There you go. So that should now be public. Let's get rid of that. Let's try again. Right, so that's going to be public. And I'm going to add that. That, I think, was the problem I just created. So I misunderstood the system. Sorry, I'm new to creating help desks on Kartra. Okay, good. Let's try that. Here we go. That's the system. Blah. Like. All right. Put the capture code in and check that works. Okay. I'm now going to check that on the Kartra side. Here we go. It's showing up as a ticket. Let me just have a look. Okay, so I can set it to pending response resolve, delete. Let's have a look at this. Yeah. Don't have any CAN response. Okay. Good. So it looks like we've now dealt with that. Let's see how it says replied. So I guess if I log in as support@promusickit.com, I should be able to see that. A nasty feeling I have no idea what my password is. Oh well. So we've done as much as we can. I mean, to finish off testing this system, we want to just double check the email and make sure that it's working from the user end, but it looks like it's working anyway. So that's the basics of how to create a help desk on Kartra. Sorry, there's probably a few things to refine, but hey, that's the basics. Cheers.